It's the start of the competition. We will see how the riders struggle at the beginning of today's meeting. From the inner curb as follows: Niels Christian Iversen, Chris Older, Michael Jepsen Jensen, and close to the safety fence, Troy Batchelor. The tape dries. Elbow to elbow. An even start for the pack. Chris Older drops into last place. Troy Batchelor touches the air fence. Chris Older last. Elbow to elbow. Michael Jepsen Jensen has let himself be cheated by his rivals. It could end up badly. First, Niels Christian Iversen. Niels Christian Iversen is overtaken. Troy Batchelor touches the air fence. First, Troy Batchelor, close on his tail, Niels Christian Iversen. What a thrilling moment. Michael Jepsen Jensen is overtaken. A dangerous situation. Chris Older, Michael Jepsen Jensen cheated his opponents. Michael Jepsen Jensen taking the checkered flag. Michael Jepsen Jensen wins. Well worth it. The next series of heats lie ahead of us. Gates. Red, Christoph Kasperzak. Blue helmet, Matsej Janowski. White, Troy Batchelor. Yellow, Greg Hancock. Tapes go up. Greg Hancock touches the air fence. Greg Hancock is off. From the inner curb as follows: Christoph Kasperzak, Matsej Janowski, Troy Batchelor. Take off. A dangerous situation. Shoulder to shoulder from the start. Troy Batchelor touches the air fence. Elbow to elbow. Christoph Kasperzak last. First, Matsej Janowski. Troy Batchelor touches the air fence. Race is at the halfway stage now. First, Matsej Janowski. Close on his tail, Troy Batchelor. Troy Batchelor touches the air fence. There's no party at all. Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. First, Matsej Janowski. Entering the crucial last bend. Matsej Janowski wins! No stories in this race. We're just about to start the third round of heats. Gates. Red, Troy Batchelor. Blue helmet, wild card. White, Jarek Hampel. Yellow, Thomas H. Jonasson. The tape dries. Elbow to elbow. An even start for the pack. Thomas H. Jonasson cheated his opponents. Jarek Hampel last. Wild card, lost a place. It could end up badly. Troy Batchelor is overtaken. First, Troy Batchelor. Thomas H. Jonasson last. Jarek Hampel lost a place. Race is at the halfway stage now. First, Troy Batchelor. Close on his Jarek Hampel overtakes. What a thrilling moment. Jarek Hampel lost a place. First, Troy Batchelor. Jarek Hampel comes in front. Troy Batchelor taking the checkered flag. Jarek Hampel, Troy Batchelor is in a class of his own. heats lie ahead of us. At the gates, red, Chris Harris. Blue helmet, Troy Batchelor. White, Nicky Pedersen. Yellow, Andreas Jonsson. Go! A dangerous situation. Chris Harris is off. A fall. From the inner curb as follows. Troy Batchelor, Andreas Jonsson. Tapes go up. Elbow to elbow. Shoulder to shoulder from the start. First, Troy Batchelor. Andreas Jonsson bringing up the rear. First, Troy Batchelor. Andreas Jonsson last. Race is at the halfway stage now. First, Troy Batchelor. Andreas Jonsson bringing up the rear. There's no party at all. Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. Troy Batchelor in the lead from the gate. Entering the crucial last bend. Troy Batchelor is in a class of his own. A race to forget. Next series of heats lie ahead of us. Gates. Red, Matty Zagar. Blue helmet, Troy Batchelor. White, Jason Doyle. Yellow, Ty Woffenden. Take off. A dangerous situation. Jason Doyle is off. A fall. From the inner curb as follows. Matty Zagar, Ty Woffenden. Tapes go up. Shoulder to shoulder from the start. First, Matty Zagar. Ty Woffenden last. Ty Woffenden drops into last place. Elbow to elbow. It's Ty Woffenden takes the lead. Matty Zagar bringing up the rear. Race is at the halfway stage now. It's pretty close here. Ty Woffenden takes the lead. Ty Woffenden takes the lead. Ty Woffenden takes the lead. First, Ty Woffenden. Entering the last bend. Ty Woffenden. We've got the following lads on the finish line. Ty Woffenden. Next series of heats lie ahead of us. As follows. Matsej Janowski, Troy Batchelor, Ty Woffenden, and close to the safety fence, Andreas Jonsson. Start. Elbow to elbow. An even start for the pack. Ty Woffenden comes in front. It could end up badly. Troy Batchelor, but Ty Woffenden comes in front. It could end up badly. Takes the lead. Ty Woffenden and Troy Batchelor lost a place. Race is in the halfway stage now. First, Troy Batchelor right behind, and Zayanovsky cheated his opponents. What a thrilling moment. It could end up badly. Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. First, and Zayanovsky takes the lead. A dangerous situation. And Zayanovsky taking the checkered flag, entering the crucial last bend. It could end. Troy Batchelor wins. What a wonderful slice of action. Who else will complete the lineup for the final? Red, Nicky Pedersen. Blue helmet, Troy Batchelor. White, Matvey Janovsky. Yellow, Matti Zegar. The tape dries. Elbow to elbow. A fall. Nicky Pedersen takes the lead. From the inner curve as follows. Nicky Pedersen, Troy Batchelor, Matti Zegar. Take off. Elbow to elbow. A fall. From the inner curve as follows. Nicky Pedersen, Troy Batchelor. Shoulder to shoulder from the start. First, Troy Batchelor. Nicky Pedersen last. First, Troy Batchelor. Nicky Pedersen last. Race is at the halfway stage now. First, Troy Batchelor. Nicky Pedersen last. There's no party at all. Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. Troy Batchelor leading from the start. Entering the last bend. Troy Batchelor is in a class of his own. No stories in this race. Grand Prix victory for Troy Batchelor. Places on the podium for Nicky Pedersen and Matti Zegar, 2.